Hello students, today we are going to see the next chapter, quadratic equation. The earlier class, means standard 9, we already studied that the many types of the polynomials, and you know very well that what is a polynomial and how it write. Here, the quadratic equation is one of the type of the polynomial which degree is 2 and is equal to what? 0. That polynomial is called a quadratic equation. Okay. The quadratic equation we use to deal with the many real life situations. The word problems are given, that situation we write in the mathematical term in terms of the quadratic equation and we solve. That is the meaning. Okay. So see, the quadratic equation is one of the real life things. Means we have to use this equation in the real life process on the word problems. Okay. See this. What is good by this one? It is nothing but one of the polynomial. What I said first. That is degree is what 2. The meaning is that if we write any polynomial, suppose it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is a polynomial that is x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Another polynomial that is what 3x cube plus 2x plus 3x square is equal to 0. Another polynomial. These all are the polynomial which equal to what? 0. Out of this all and so many again, see this polynomial is equal to 0. That the first thing is that's why it is called the equation, because it is equating something. That's why. And see x square plus 2x plus 3. Here the degree of this polynomial is what? 2. That is what highest power of the variable what we use in that particular equation. That highest power we can say as what? Degree of the polynomial. This polynomial degree is what? 2. This highest power is 2. So see, second power, 1 power and the constant. Such situation of the equation is called what? Quadratic equation. Okay. So see, so here this is we refer as quadratic equation. This is linear equation, and because the degree is what? 1. This is what highest power is 3. So it is labeled as what? Cubic equation. Now we deal with this one. See, what is the meaning of this one? There are so many types to write the polynomial, means what the quadratic equations. Suppose I am writing 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is, see the degree is 2. Again I am writing 2x plus x square minus 2 is equal to 0. Again 1. See, I am arranging this shuffle. Here all terms, here the terms are shuffled. Second term degree is what? 2. But if we see entire polynomial, entire equation, the highest power is degree of this polynomial of this equation is what? 2. So it is also what? Quadratic equation. If I am writing 3 plus 3x plus 5x square is equal to 0, this also refer as a quadratic equation because degree of this equation is what? 2. Okay. Sometimes we can write 5x plus 2 is equal to x square. Okay, this is, see the both the sides is equal to this equation, both the side. Again we see what is the highest power, this degree of this equation or this polynomial is what? Again 2. So these all are the various way to writing type of the quadratic equations. Okay, so these all are, but there is one standard form. What is like that? So we refer the standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form. See, standard form of the equation is that we can say that okay, standard form of quadratic equation is what? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b and c are any real number where a, b and c are any real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. This is what the such a situation, the conditions are applied in this equation. So this equation is called what? Quadratic equation. It is standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b and c are the any real numbers, but a is not equal to suppose a is equal to 0, so this entire term is what? 0. So it is what? Bx plus c. Now it is the linear. So that's why this is standard form. Okay. So the question arises that question is like this one. Any equation is given in shepherd form, you have to solve it. Means you have to write it in the standard form. And if that equation, after you solving that, if you get it this form, then we can say that particular equation is a quadratic equation. Is it clear? Like this we have to do. So write down this thing in your notebook and do further. See that. What to do for this? I am taking one example for this, so you know how it is solved. Suppose there is given one example, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. And question is that check whether this equation is quadratic or not. So what to do for this one? Just we solve it and try to write in the standard form, that is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If this equation we can able to write in this form, then you can say it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay. See there. Ax plus 1 whole square is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square apply here. That is what? X square plus 2x plus 1 square is 1. Like this one is equal to 2x minus 6 a square. That we know it is a square plus twice ab plus b square, that we know. So I am applying this here. Okay, x square plus 2x plus 1, then x square plus 2x is transposing here is what? Minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then what? X square is get cancelled. Get what? Cancel. It's 2x. Yeah. Cancel. Then what? That plus 7 is equal to 0. Second term is 0, but we can write it is in the form of x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. This term is already 0. And it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can write it is in the standard form. We can write. So we write that what that? Yes. So therefore it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore given equation is quadratic. So like this we have to do for this one. See the exercise 4.1, question number 1, that you have to go with this one. Okay, and try to solve that one. We'll see tomorrow the further parts. Thank you very much.